All right, guys, so we're going to do a particle test on a bagless machine versus a bagged machine. Sealed filtration, not sealed. And you know, even though it does say sealed HEPA media, still a bagless machine, and almost 90% of these machines, if not more, they all leak. So again, proof in the pudding. Will actually show, and you may have to take that off the tripod and bring it in, what these readings are, and it will actually say good, moderate, unhealthy. So this proof is in the pudding. So as you can see, that is very unhealthy to be running in your home. That's atrocious. Versus a bag machine. And this will keep going down. But this is how we're going to start gauging a lot of these vacuums when they come in. And we're going to start doing a lot of videos to show rainbows, Eris, SIBOs, Milas overall. And then we're going to show some of the bagless machines, the name brands out there in the marketplace to see, are they healthy to be using in your home, or are they completely, I guess you could say, damaging to your health? Precious.
Jesus, please don't be unhealthy.
They're borderline. Now you're at moderate. Lord. Art?
Big box store. This one's old. It came in for a hose issue.
So.
Hi, this is Art from House of Vacuums in the Triad.
So we're going to talk about a box store bagless machine. This is really a budget machine. I think these are what, 60, 70 bucks, something like that?
About $65.
Something like that. We're going to do a particle counter and just see what these machines emit. Now it says, what is that, a rinsable filter? Okay. What is that?
Oh my word.
So there's really not much of a filter there. Not much. Oh, we'll give it to it. But, there is something there. And curious just to see what it puts out. So power that little puppy on.